Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. So friends, I am from Facebook page Banking and Finance Jobs in Dubai UAE. So friends, now I'm going to show how you can search jobs and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So friends, now I'm showing you today latest job. So friends, this is new and updated job, audit and tax business partner required in Dubai. So friends, let's check out the details and requirement. Audit and tax business partner required in Dubai. Summary: we are looking for a business partner who is able to bring clients to a small business of auditing and tax services. Not only this, but able to perform the client audit and tax jobs. Responsibilities: able to make door-to-door visit to office and companies offering them auditing and accounting services. Conduct phone calls to schedule meeting with client that may require the service. Filling clients' monthly and quarterly VAT returns and refunds. Able to consult clients and address their VAT queries. Plan effective auditing process. Assesses risk and internal control by identifying areas of non-compliance, evaluating manual and automated financial process. Identifying process weakness and efficiencies of operational issues. Audit financial statement and assess accounts for accuracy and regulatory compliance. Complete audit work papers and memoranda by documenting audit test and findings. Prepare financial statements. So friends, these are the responsibilities and requirements. Excellent customer relationship, audit and accounting skills, proven experience as an external auditor, experience in data analysis and financial reporting, knowledge of external auditing practices and relevant regulations, knowledge of accounting standards, excellent verbal and written communication skills, sound judgment and decision making ability, keen attention to detail, BSc, BA in accounting and finance or relevant field, CPA, CIA, VAT diploma or any related professional certificates. Monthly salary 4,000 to 6,000. Benefit commission, work experience 2 to 5 years experience. So friends, these are the requirements. So if anyone interested in this job, so you must have minimum 2 years experience in accounting and finance related field. You must have bachelor degree in relevant field, just like finance and accounting. So friends, salary mention 4 to 6,000 based on your performance and experience, and benefits commission. So friends, these are the details and responsibility. So if anyone interested in this job, so you can apply by use this email address. So you can also send by this link. So friends, I hope you understand. So friends, this link is very helpful for you. So if you want to apply, so you visit second link. So friends, these links given in the description on Facebook page, so you can visit these links, is very helpful. Daily basis jobs updated on Facebook page or on website page. So if anyone who can search more jobs, so you can visit these website and Facebook page, so you can search your related jobs and experience jobs. So friends, I hope you understand this step and process. So it's very easy. So friends, thank you so much for your attention and interest. Allah Hafiz.